doing gun testing. Well, Nerf guns, but let's get to it. So first round, we're going to try it with the sniper. Here we have standard Nerf dart. Well, not exactly standard. And an alpha rogue sniper. I do not have the scope with it, but we're going to test. As you can see, it has speed but not much accuracy. I think the only way I'm going to get it is if I get close. But I'm not going to do that just for recording. As you can see, we have one block down. Here we go, second block. Double kill. And next run, we had a miss, as you can see. We're already about 1 minute, probably 25 seconds in, so let's go. As you can see, the bolt bounced. It missed, bounced up, one up here. This is how you reload. So whenever you fire, you go like this. Pull back, it's a little tough. Well, it's not that tough. You put the bullet in, shut it. If any of your hunters out there, this is a Nerf gun, but it's kind of realistic. As you can see, I have a curve up. Now, ladies and gents, we're getting the real deal out, okay? No more messing around. This is an auto shotgun. I'm not sure what its name is. It is a 1G Nerf. Yeah, it's just a 1G. It's a dart tag. But I will show you. You pull back like this, and if you get clogged, you just pull back and open this up. It'll show you if you have a bullet stuck in there. Right now I have a bullet in the chamber. Pull back and you're ready to shoot. You can hold this and reload, and you get extra. As you can see, we have about 5. We have a bullet that's stuck in the chamber. Another bullet stuck in the chamber. As you can see, ran out of ammo. It can hold these many bullets, but I would not recommend buying this gun, but if you like having to refix your gun, I would recommend it. Today, I bought a Nintendo Switch. Actually, just kidding. This is a real deal. One of my personal favorites, easy to control. Pistol. If you're wondering what this is, guess in the comments. Yeah, we're going to give you 20 seconds to figure out what this is. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. Well, if you didn't guess, well, you're about to see. Three rounds of standard bullets again. In a perfect pack. This is not well, sponsored, but as you can see, it is much more fast and accurate. And when I hit it, it's quick reload. Right now I'm not getting very good because I don't really have any upgrades on it to make it more accurate. So, as you can see, fail. Grenade! As you can see, the grenade is just one of your toy blocks that little kids would play with. I was failing it. But if I talk too much, just let me know. Talk less, too much, little less than you want. And YouTubers, doesn't let me know. But we're about to blow this way. One more. I know I cheated. It's off the board. There's one test we have left to do. We're not playing anymore. Meet Billy. He's a special guest today. We have a couple more special guests, but just meet him. He's a nice guy. He's got a nice hat, and you can learn a thing or two from him. Today, we're going to be shooting him with the Nerf gun. With the sniper, because it's my most powerful one. So, let's get at it, boys. As you can see, he's slowly moving it. As you can see, I just pulled back, and then before I even could pull the trigger, and I just made a spin reaction. Billy's dead! Next, we have Joey's black bear. He's a little bit harder than the first. But we're going to see what he does. Again, we're going to be testing with the same gun. I'm not changing any other gun. As you can see, he's much tougher. That was a shot to the arm, but yeah. Shot to the head. As he's really tough. Black bear. Last round. All brothers. All bad. Upper dicks. Poor guys. They're dying together with their baby black bear brother behind them, trying to hug them and just fouled off. As you can see, they're all going to sleep with baby black bear still alive, all awake, sitting on the face, playing on them, trying to wake them up. Just wants to play. We're going to save these guys with all that sleep that they want. Let's let them burn them. I'm going to end the video off here. The reason is I'm ending it early is because they say if you do something for too long time, that you actually become it, and I could become a criminal, and I don't want that to happen at a young age. So bye, guys.